Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check news on investing.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is head on over to investing.com. Now once you're here, we want to go ahead and sign into your account, or even sign up to investing.com. And now to do this, click on the far right and there's going to have an option to sign in or sign up. I'm currently signed in. Now to check news, on the left of this, we've got different tabs. We've got markets, my watches, etc. I want to click onto the tab that says news. And now on the drop down menu, we've got different categories of news too. So we can look at the top news, latest headlines across markets, stock market news, commodities and forex, economic indicators, analysis and opinions. And also we've got breaking news, which is quite handy. Now if we scroll down, it's going to show you all news. So yeah, we've got breaking news, currencies, commodities, stock markets, economic indicators and more. Now if you want to go ahead and see more news, we can go ahead and click on that show more news tab, and that's going to open up even more news. Now if you want to go ahead and set alerts with news, we can. So on the far right, we can go ahead and click on the alerts. Now to